Hello, everyone. Today, let's talk about something really fast and exciting Formula One, also known as F1, and how it makes billions of dollars every year. So, what is F1? It's a global car racing competition where teams like Ferrari, Red Bull, and Mercedes compete in races around the world. But behind the speed and the glamour, there's a big business model working like a high-powered engine. Let's break it down. First, F1 makes a lot of money from broadcasting rights. This means TV channels like Sky Sports or ESPN pay Formula One to show the races live to fans. Millions of people watch these races, so the broadcasters earn money from ads, and F1 gets paid for that access. Second, there are hosting fees. Cities like Monaco, Singapore, or Miami pay millions of dollars to have a race in their location. Why? Because it brings in tourists, global attention, and boosts their economy. Third, there's sponsorship. Big brands like Rolex, DHL, and have their logos on the cars, tracks, and driver suits. This gives them worldwide exposure. Finally, F1 earns from merchandise and licensing, selling things like t-shirts, hats, video games, and even documentaries like Drive to Survive. All this money is shared between the F1 organization and the racing teams. Teams use this money to improve their cars, hire drivers, and compete harder. So, F1 isn't just about fast cars, it's a smart business, racing towards profits at full speed.